You're about to watch a real live website transformation, the before and after of a real actual business, a hair salon called the Salty Crown. The founder, Allyssa, is this amazing person who's, like we all do, have some challenges in life and was a single mom, and she put all of her eggs in one basket and started her own hair salon. And she did so well. Like, she built up their Instagram to more than 3,000 followers in less than 6 months. So she did amazing. But the problem was when people then got interested and wanted to book an appointment, they had to go to her website, which was, how do I put it, less well designed. The majority of our clientele were women, so she wanted to have a very feminine look of the website. Let's have a look at what she ended up with to begin with, and then we're going to look into what the after results were. Have a look at this. Imagine this is the first thing you see when you land on a website. You don't even see a photo, you see a text that is cut off, and as you then start scrolling, here you just have a ton of text, the vision behind Salty Crown. This here obviously scared away people straight away. Like, imagine coming to a hair salon that you never heard of before and you see this, you're probably gone very, very quickly. Down here, she had a couple of the different services that she offers, but they weren't even, aligned well. It just didn't really have anything special. And then it was a mix between like AI photos that just didn't mean that the website had the same kind of style throughout. She also had information like this, what makes her different and unique, which is good, but you can even see here that the text is like blended, like overlaying each other and stuff like that. As you can see, not a very impressive website that's going to pull in a lot of appointments to her. So what we wanted to do is to obviously fix this up. This section here, we need to make a lot better. Alyssa's is like an artist. We need to show that. My thinking was straight away when people land, we should just showcase her giving a treatment. So when I went to her Instagram, I saw she had like music, people getting a treatment. This was so good that I felt like I wanted a treatment. So start there, a really cool video like that in the beginning. Very, very good messaging straight away. Also thought it'd be really cool to have like some before and after photos. Here is what we created instead. Check this out. Here is Allyssa actually giving a treatment, the video that you just saw. Very simple and clean. You have then here for anybody ready to nurture their scalp and hair holistically. Perfect. You can then reserve my head spa experience straight away, and we still kept that pinkish feel from the old website as well. We now start scrolling the website. So here we start with a testimonial. Straight away see how people actually valued the experience they had. We go down here, a little bit more trust and credibility, more than 1,000 clients served, 95% return rate. Okay, so obviously people here seem to really enjoy the experiences they're getting. A little bit further down, here we showcase the different type of experiences that you can receive. And when you hover above something, you see that they kind of change colors, so they're very interactive. But what I wanted to do is I thought, like, let's start with a little bit of education first, and then we're going to go into actually showcasing some before and after photos. So here you can then see how her treatments are so different, and you can click, make it very, very fun and interactive. And now we're going to go into the before and after results. Here you have a couple of these different kind of sections where you can see the before and after. Look at this. Before, after. And in sliders, you see the difference. That sells better than any quote or anything that you can say on the website. Show me the results and I'm going to be impressed. Down here, we go into a beautiful gallery. As I scroll, things move to the side. Here we then added a little bit of a presentation of Allyssa and her stylist. So you can just see who you're going to be working with. And then down here, we added some rotating testimonials to once again get people to feel like, wow, this place is amazing. To be sure, we had a winner. I went to Google and I searched for hair salons in Encinitas, where she's based. I looked at a couple of options. Have a look yourself now and let me know if you think this is better. Which one would you choose? Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4.
Yay! I can't wait. It's gonna look so good.
My name is Edward and I'm part of more than 100 web design projects. I love helping people like Allyssa because she's so good at what she does. She just don't know how to get a website that generates leads and business for her. So if that would be you as well, or maybe some of you know, then just reach out, drop a comment or send me a DM. Or if you just want to learn to get more inspiration, like and subscribe, train the algorithm, and you'll get more of these videos in your feed. Thank you so much.